What's up, amigos? Welcome to Impeccable. Today I'm going to be testing out some new chemicals that I bought in Mexico City. Now the chemical I'm going to be testing is the Easiway, the Plastisolv 842 on-press cleaner, as well as this one that I bought at Graphicolor. It was only 46 pesos, 1 liter. Also ink remover, even though it does stink. I'm going to compare this one to this one to see how big difference the price makes it, because again, 46 pesos for 1 liter, this 800 for a gallon. And I'm going to be testing this emulsion remover because I am trying to move away from using bleach. You know, I'm tired of that. As well, I will move away from using gasoline. The reason I bought these chemicals. But before we get started, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of a couple shirts that had someone from Arizona named Randy. He sent me a couple shirts. Just to, kind of funny because it is a small world. This guy literally knew someone that went to high school with me. So he told him that about my videos, and I know that guy, you know. Kind of funny for me, you know, small world. But anyways, he sent this actually on October 7th. This arrived in my city on November 9th, and today's December 7th. And I actually went to the post office to get this because it wasn't arriving, and the post office here is horrible, man. The local post office. Before, I used to see the mailman pass every time, but this one has some pans. Decided to go see if they have it, and they did. So I'm gonna open it real quick. Make sure I don't have any, because I don't want to clean this. Oh, this is cool font right here. It's right here. I gotta move these away. I do not want to stain it because I'm very good at staining shirts. The other one, oh, this one actually looks pretty sick. This one, I like the color. Now, I would have wore this right now for this video, but since I'm going to be cleaning screens and messing with chemicals, I'll save for the next video, man. Thanks, man. I really appreciate it. Even though it did take a long time, I told you, post office, horrible, especially the one here in Mexico. Horrible, man. So, let's finally get started in testing these chemicals. Okay, amigos. So I decided to actually do this outside because there's one chemical. This one, the cheap ink remover. This one stinks real bad. I actually keep this outside because it was stinking up inside. That's why I'm going to do this outside. Even though this one has soft, it's hardly doesn't make any smell. But since this one does, I'm going to do this outside. But first, I'm going to actually put these on a bottle, on squirt bottles. Make it a lot easier. Oh, it's spilling. Can't spill because they're 100 pesos. Okay, so first I'm going to try the Easiway. I'm testing it on these screens that have been here for a long time. If you recall. So far, way better than gasoline. Oh my god. Since it's been here for months, man, the tape. This is why it's important to remove your tape when you're done printing, because look at this. Oh my god, how do I take that off? Okay, another screen. Well, this I'm going to try. This ink remover that I bought for 46 pesos at the 1 liter. See how it compares. I told you. Spray bottle doesn't even work. It's kind of working the same as the Easiway. Okay, almost, but not exactly. Where's the other screen? This one with the Easiway, and this with the 46 liter, that one I bought at Plastisol. Okay, 2 more screens to go. Again, Easiway on this one. How is it that ink of colors, they wipe a lot easier than white ink? I don't know why that is. Okay, that was quick. Tape. Next screen, same color. We're gonna use this one. I freaking the sprayer doesn't work. Fast. Almost the same as the Easiway and the one with the Plastisol. And just to be clear, this right here, 5 gallon, 800 pesos. This one right here, for 1 liter, it was only 46 pesos. Is that? Only downside that it does smell. I mean, it smells real bad. Okay, so I'm gonna finish here. Then we're finally gonna go test out the emulsion remover to see how that works. Okay, amigos, now it's time to test the emulsion remover. Hopefully this works well, because I was gonna buy the emulsion remover from Easiway, but it was too much. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but so, and they don't sell, you know, small portions. They only had the gallon. And this one, 56 pesos, I think, 56, 52 pesos for 1 liter emulsion remover. Well, let's see how it works, because I'm tired of using bleach, man. I got my other screens here, the ones that have no ink on them, my aluminum screens. Luckily, those screens, I didn't leave the tape on, because those are aluminum screens. So glad I didn't leave the tape on those ones. But let's get started. Turn on the water here. Start keep right down. I'm having issues with the power washer. It's not working right. Supposedly we do have water, but if we don't have water, then usually when we're gonna have enough water in our tank here, or the power washer doesn't work properly. But they're telling me that we do have water, so most likely it's the power washer. It was working good, man, but I don't know what to do now. Okay, finally found out what was wrong. This little thing was actually clogged up, and I cleaned it up. So let's get back to work. Okay, most likely this thing already dry. Let me add some more, because I actually ended up washing it off because I didn't want it to dry up on my screen. Because I did say that if you let emulsion remover dry on your screen, you basically let it, how do you say, it locks the emulsion to the screen. So, not the best clean right now. Took us some motion right here, but most likely it's because since I did stop for a while. And looking at it, I do believe that with that motion remover, I have to let it stand a little while, give it some time, the motion to actually start breaking down. So on my next screen, I'm actually gonna let it set for a few seconds, then brush it, and then hit it with the power washer. Okay, started to break down. Just go a little bit with the brush. It's working about the same as bleach, but a little bit easier. But I'd rather use this chemical than actual bleach. So, pretty good job. Not totally surprised, but yeah, I'm glad that actually works. Basically, it was almost like bleach, man. I mean, by looking at this emulsion remover, finally using it, comparing to when I used to use bleach, I kind of see it the same way, even though it's a little bit faster, not that fast, but works about the same. Not like the best results, because there are some on the sides, but that won't affect me that much. Still trying to figure out how to make this work the best. Okay, amigos, so I'm done for the day. I did want to reclaim other screens, but kind of ran out of time. And again, big issue I had for me leaving the tape on here for I don't know how many months. I gotta figure out how to get rid of this. But other than that, going back to the chemicals, the Easiway, this one right here, the Plastisol 842 on-press cleaner, pretty good. Cleans off the ink very well. Does not smell, which is very good. And the other ink cleaner that I bought, Graphical Lore, was very cheap for 1 liter. Did about the same job, basically like almost identical, except that one does come with an order. I mean, it smells real bad. Actually, I would not be leaving that in here. I actually have that outside because it will stick up the room. Even if it was in the bottle, somehow the smell will still come out. I don't know if it was the bottle probably had a leak or it wasn't closed on tight, but just to be safe, I'll keep that outside just to avoid, you know, any issues with having that smell in here. But comparing both of them, again, very the same. Even though I know Easiway does have a lot more different types of ink cleaners, but that was the one I was able to get a hold of. And as for the emulsion remover that I bought, 1 liter, 52 pesos, I think. Something like somewhere around 52 or 56, can't remember exactly. That one did okay. Wasn't, you know, that, you know, surprising, you know, but for that price, I'm not surprised. Compared to the bleach, very similar, except with the bleach, yeah, if you use too much, your hands, you know, that smell of bleach on your hands all day reclaiming. Some people, when their hands their skin start peeling on their fingertips. The reason I want to move away from that. In the future, will I buy this again? Yeah, most likely I will. I don't know how long it's gonna hold me, the ink remover, the emulsion remover, but if I right now, you know, I'll use bleach in the meantime. And whenever I go back to Mexico City, I will buy more of that, more of the ink remover, and the very affordable one, because, you know, it does come in handy, way better than using gasoline, because gasoline is real stinky, even though it's cheaper, but still it does smell as well. But it doesn't clean as well as this ink remover, because I'll be using, you know, gasoline cleaning there, and I'll be struggling trying to clean it off. I won't do a very good job, but this, a lot better. So I'm proud that I finally moving on my chemicals, moving away from the do-yourself style, and, you know, actually getting screen printing, you know, quality, you know, chemicals. And later on, I'm gonna try to move up to, you know, better inks, because right now I'm using, you know, Sanchez. Hopefully I could try other inks. But yeah, but that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or, you know, message me through, you know, social media and everything. But other than that, amigos, I'll see you guys next time.